going to show you how to install a leak-proof pipe flange. Typically when pipe flanges get old, the rubber cracks around them. And this rubber here is wore out. As you can see, it's torn. And so we put a new one on. But what I do is I take an extra step besides just putting a new one on, because this neoprene will, or this rubber will wear out before the metal does. So it'll create a leak if you don't take precautions. So what I normally do is I would just tap around the pipe with a tab right about the middle, just so I can get a good eyeball of how the circle is. I'll cut it out. I'll try to cut it out on the line. Not perfect. Not perfect, but good enough. Alright. Then what I do is we will caulk around the hole. It's a little bit ugly. I probably should have waited to caulk on. But we'll paint this anyway. We're going to paint the pipe. Then we'll caulk around the top. Alright, now we're ready for our pipe flange. Let's give this a couple minutes. Caulk. Let's see here. Anyone over there? Now it's a little bit cold out today, and the shingles are not wanting to cut very well. So when the shingles don't want to cut very well, you'll take a pair of snips that are not brand new, and you just cut around your shingles. Or it instead of using a knife, because sometimes when it gets too cold, the knife just does not want to cut the shingles. And today is one of those cases. Alright, so now, go ahead and set this shingle. Use a couple extra nails. And there you have a leak-proof pipe flange. See, this will not leak even when this wears out, since we put the tab underneath. All right, so we're good.